Hallmark 45DB. Today, manufacturers of camper vans are working hard to design cars that would ensure the maximum level of comfort, even on the road. This fantastic camper is available to all those who have $450,000 spare. The company Volvo created the Hallmark 45DB. It's equipped with a 600 horsepower engine with 2,780 Nm of torque and an automatic 12-speed transmission. The camper's available to expand as well, increasing the space inside. The Hallmark 45DB has enough space for all of your things. It's equipped with plenty of cupboards and drawers for storage. The bedroom has a king-size bed. In the living room, there's a convertible sofa to accommodate another person. The bathroom includes a spacious shower cabin with mosaic walls, and in total there's a full bathroom and a half bathroom with a toilet and a wash basin. A particular advantage of this motorhome is its dashboard. It allows you to control the vehicle with a few taps on the panel. You can change the lighting, the position of the tent on the street, the position of the retractable parts, and control 3 air conditioners. Volkner Performance. This is a camper van that combines everything you need for a comfortable, happy life, both on the road and out. Its unique feature is a special compartment in the lower part. It's designed to be roomy and withstand significant weight loads, all in order to function as a garage for a light-duty vehicle. The motorhome's length is 12 meters, and it's quite spacious as the living space is 30 square meters. If for some reason this still isn't enough, you can pull a side part out. It adds an extra 5 square meters. It can comfortably accommodate up to 6 people, and there's a bed for everyone. The supply of water is 1,000 litres, and the tank for sewage water storage has a capacity of 800 litres. Motor power varies from 430 to 460 horsepower. The Volkner Performance load capacity is up to 18 tons. The creators of the vehicle made sure that every detail, both outside and in, combines functionality and aesthetics. The interior created by the designers is as stylish as any standard home. Magellano. Specialists of the company Mercedes-Benz made sure to satisfy different categories of customers. While some developers focus on creating light-duty cars and SUVs, others design sophisticated, highly advanced homes on wheels. The Magellano is suitable even for very long trips. It's economical, provides a high level of comfort and security, and allows a person to feel really confident behind the wheel. The van is 10.6 meters long, it's 4 meters tall and 2.5 meters wide. The residential section's designed in pleasant sandy colors. There are 2 TVs, Wi-Fi, and an additional diesel generator, which will allow you to not worry about the electricity for a long time. Also, rooms are equipped with speakers and a satellite system. Like other such models, the Magellano is equipped with sliding panels, which make the space inside bigger and more comfortable. The living room, when extended, accommodates up to 8 people. This is enough for a big family or to invite a few guests along. This motorhome is powerful enough to carry a trailer that serves as a garage. Inside you can store some bicycles, for example, but there's actually enough place to accommodate a car. Other notable features include underfloor heating in each room, electric heaters, and air conditioners. The Lux LF42MD. The production of such caravans is carried out by the RV Factory. This motorhome can easily become an office on wheels or even a cozy family home. The creators paid special attention to furnishing the living space. Each cabinet, and there are a lot of them, is made of natural hardwood, and the surface is covered with paint and lacquers. The living area is divided into 3 rooms. The first one is a place to relax and receive guests, comprising of a kitchen, a sofa, armchairs, a dining table, and of course a TV. The kitchen is small, but it has everything you could need, from a large fridge and a stove to a microwave. The second room is a small bedroom with a bunk bed and another TV. There's a washing machine and a dryer. And the last room is the main bedroom with a double bed, where there's also a TV, and the whole wall is occupied by a spacious wardrobe. It's noteworthy that the manufacturers have placed a very large number of lamps inside this motorhome. Of course, to compensate it, the Lux LF42MD has a powerful generator. Centurion 1200. This motorhome is based on the heavy truck Actros by Mercedes-Benz, and it combines luxury and comfort at the highest level. The creators say that they developed the Centurion 1200 for those people who've always dreamed of having a castle on wheels. Inside, there's enough space for gorgeous, spacious living rooms and a garage. 26 tons of weight are evenly distributed along this 12-meter camper van. Its width is 2.5 meters, and the height is a little less than 4 meters. This is enough for a calm, measured life, and for receiving a small number of guests. The motorhome has a 476 horsepower engine. All the interior parts complement each other, and the creator spent a lot of time working on them. All the angles are rounded as well, as this interesting solution allows to avoid injuries which often occur in confined spaces. The floors of the dark walnut color combine with the wooden surface of the cabinets, which are elegantly decorated with stainless steel elements. Canadreams MHA Maxi. Many homes on wheels are designed for a large family of 4 or more people. The Canadreams MHA Maxi is no exception. It has enough space to comfortably accommodate 4 adults and 2 children. Absolutely every detail ensures the maximum functionality of space. For example, what looks like a dining table with 2 chairs during the day, at night easily turns into a comfortable bed. The oven, a few air conditioners, and the 167-litre tank for clear water are designed to provide the highest comfort level. The kitchen has a gas cooker with 3 burners, a microwave, and a large refrigerator. And if you compare the Canadreams MHA Maxi with campers we showed you earlier, this one is quite small. It doesn't even exceed 10 meters in length. However, this is hardly a drawback, considering what an astounding capacity this house on wheels has. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.